Why did you choose Networkers Home?
So for this I can answer betterly. I have a lot of institute near my hometown also. So but I did not find the lab and theoric both combined. I have given 4 mock interviews. So in each one round I use it to develop my skills.
How was the mock interview questions and how it helped you to clear the real-time interviews?
The networking means don't only study it as a subject. It is also mainly used for practicing also. Only when we practice the networking what we are learning, and that time only we can implement in the real time scenarios.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students showcase their inspiring success story. Today we are glad to join by Mohit, who has recently secured his placement at Scale Computing. So why you're waiting for? Let's get started. Hi Mohit.
Hi ma'am.
Welcome to Networkers Home.
Thank you.
And congratulations on your placement at Scale Computing.
Thank you ma'am.
Let's start with your introduction.
Sure ma'am. Actually I am from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. So I have completed my graduation from mechanical engineering. So after that I have been working as a graduate apprentice trainee for 1 year after my graduation for gaining some practical experience upon my theory experience. So I've been doing there for 1 year I have done there. So after that I have been working as a design engineer also. So after that I have got some issues with the network issues. We used to face some Wi-Fi issues. We have a lot of issues because actually I was worked in a government organization for a year. So in that we do not have any unauthorized persons to be allowed inside. So we used to have so many technical issues there. So from there either they might be used to come by giving the permission, but not every time. So our seniors used to said us that okay, let's do one thing, you can also involve in that things, and these are all little bit basic things only we can able to easily understand, so you can do that things. And by the time we used to call the technician or anybody, they used to help us in saying small issues like how to configure the Wi-Fi and how to do system works and a little bit connection of LANs and everything. So from that I have got some interest in this networking.
Okay, that's nice. You got an interest in networking, but why did you choose Networkers Home?
So for this I can answer betterly. I have a lot of institute near my hometown also. So but I did not find the lab and theoric both combined. So I have been searching for a lot of things. So one of the institute I have been searching in, I went so long to north some states, but to near my state I have found in Bangalore Networkers Home, and the people also gave good reviews on that, and the placement is also well here. So I choose Networkers Home.
That was a good what you told about Networkers Home. Can you share your Networkers Home journey?
Yes ma'am. From Networkers Home I have learned a lot, like how the trainers are very good. They use it to support every time, even if how many doubts we use it to ask, they are so supportive and they explain lot of number of times. And moving on to labs, those are also so good, and we use it to take rack access, and we use it to mainly my experience was I have done an ASA lab because one of my trainers used to take care about everything, and he used to be with us till the lab completes. Actually the management is also so good. They are so supportive. They have given a lot of training for me, like how to attend the interviews, how to speak to the managers or the HRs in the interviews, and how to answer according to the questions they have been asking. That's it.
Okay, that was really good what you mentioned. And also you mentioned about the interview. We are conducting the mock interview in Networkers Home. So tell me about your experience with the mock interview.
Actually I have been learning a lot through the mock interviews. So I have given 4 mock interviews. So in each one round I use it to develop my skills, because the trainers who are taking the mock interview, they won't repeat the questions more. They will be asking new questions. So for each mock interview I have been preparing myself and going through some technically some good good concepts to how to answer the questions. By taking interviews also we can able to answer in the companies, like if the company is asking any questions, it might be very easy for us to answer the questions.
Okay, that's really nice, Mohit. As you told about the mock interviews, how was the mock interview questions and how it helped you to clear the real-time interviews? interviews?
Yes, actually, the mock interview has helped a lot for me because the trainers used to ask very tough questions in the mock interview because they are expecting more from us. Like, what are we able to answer in that corner also? Because if they ask the basic questions and we are not able to answer in real time interviews, it would be affecting us. So they used to ask a little bit tough, and actually, I was not able to answer in the starting. So later on, I understood the pattern of how to answer the questions and how to study. So the mock interviews helped me a lot for clearing my real-time interviews.
That's good. As you got placed in scale computing, and can you walk us through that?
Sure, ma'am. Actually, they have conducted me total 3 rounds, and in that first 2 are of technical rounds, and the last one is the HR round. So in in the first two technical rounds, they have been knowing how much technically I am good. So they have asked me from basics onwards. So I was able to answer each and every question, and they used to ask me some technical in technical questions also they asked some scenario based questions. So I have been gone through the mocks, so they are very helpful for me, like how to answer in the real time interviews, and they asked similar to that but not the same. They have been asking similar questions for us, so I able to answer it very easily.
Okay. That's nice. It was really great talking to you, Mohit. And we are at the end of podcast. Would you like to share anything to our viewers and team Networkers Home?
Actually, the Networkers Home has been very great for teaching purpose and according to training purposes. So only one thing is that the networking means don't only study it as a subject. It is also mainly used for practicing also. Only when we practice the networking what we are learning, and that time only we can implement in the real time scenarios. So if anybody is want to crack interview also, the HRs won't ask normal questions only, not about theory part only. They will be asking about technical scenario based questions also. So if we practice more scenario based questions, we can easily able to answer those.
Those were a great words what you mentioned. And thank you for joining us and all the best for your future.